Welcome to Finesse, where stories meet truth and inspire action. Today, we uncover a pressing reality, a tale of a city striving to breathe amidst progress. Stay with us as we unravel this crucial story. In the heart of India lies Delhi, a city that bustles with life, culture, and ambition. But beneath its vibrant exterior, a silent crisis looms large: pollution. The air, once carrying the aroma of blossoming trees and earthy monsoon rains, now chokes with smog and fine particulate matter. The sprawling metropolis is slowly being engulfed by its own progress. It wasn't always like this. Decades ago, Delhi was a city of gardens, with wide roads shaded by ancient trees and clear blue skies that reflected the hopes of its people. But as the city grew, so did its problems. Industries mushroomed, vehicular traffic surged, and construction projects sprawled across the skyline. With every passing year, Delhi traded clean air for development, unaware of the long-term cost. The turning point came on a chilling November morning. The city awoke to a dense, grey fog that cloaked its streets and landmarks. But this wasn't just a winter mist. Delhi's pollution crisis has been a recurring issue, and its severity is attributed to a combination of geographic, climatic, human, and industrial factors. Geographic and climatic factors. Delhi lies in the Indo-Gangetic Plain, surrounded by the Himalayas to the north. During winters, cold air traps pollutants near the ground in a phenomenon called temperature inversion. This prevents the dispersion of pollutants, leading to smog. Delhi often experiences low wind speeds, especially during winters. This reduces the natural dispersal of pollutants, causing them to accumulate in the atmosphere. Delhi is close to arid regions like Rajasthan, where dust storms are frequent. Fine particulate matters, PM10 and PM2.5 from these storms contribute significantly to Delhi's air pollution. Vehicular emissions. Delhi has one of the highest vehicle densities in the world, with over 12 million vehicles on the road. This contributes massively to the emission of nitrogen oxides, carbon monoxide, and particulate matter. Many vehicles in Delhi still run on outdated technologies and fuels, producing higher emissions compared to modern, eco-friendly alternatives. Diesel vehicles and generators, common in Delhi, emit higher levels of harmful pollutants like PM2.5 and black carbon. Industrial and construction activities. Industrial zones surrounding Delhi, including brick kilns and small factories, release a significant amount of pollutants into the air. Rapid urbanization and large-scale construction projects contribute to a massive amount of dust and particulate pollution. Improper measures for dust suppression further exacerbate the problem. Industries and households often burn waste materials, including plastics, which release toxic gases and fine particulate matter. Agricultural practices. Farmers in Punjab and Haryana burn leftover crop stubble after harvest to prepare their fields for the next crop. The smoke from these fires drifts into Delhi, contributing to severe spikes in PM2.5 levels during October and November. Thermal power plants. Coal-fired power plants near Delhi release large amounts of carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and PM2.5 into the atmosphere. Waste management issues. Open burning of garbage, especially plastic and rubber, releases a range of toxic pollutants into the air. Decomposing waste in Delhi's overburdened landfills emits methane, which is a potent greenhouse gas, and other harmful chemicals. Festive season and cultural practices. Festivals like Diwali see extensive use of firecrackers, leading to a dramatic spike in air pollution levels, often pushing air quality index into that severe category. Poor urban planning and policy implementation. Urban expansion has led to deforestation and loss of green spaces, reducing the city's capacity to naturally absorb pollutants. While the government has introduced measures like the odd-even vehicle scheme and BSV fuel, enforcement often remains inconsistent. Pollution levels and composition. Delhi's air pollution consists of 1. Particulate matter PM2.5 and PM10, fine particles that penetrate deep into the lungs, causing severe health issues. 2. Nitrogen oxides, emitted by vehicles and power plants, contributing to respiratory problems. 3. Sulfur dioxide, from industrial emissions and diesel usage. 4. Carbon monoxide, a result of incomplete combustion of fuels. 5. Ground-level ozone, formed by chemical reactions between nitrogen oxides and volatile organic compounds in sunlight. Pollution in Delhi has far-reaching consequences on the daily lives, health, and well-being of its citizens. Ordinary people, irrespective of age or socio-economic status, bear the brunt of its effects, often facing severe challenges to their quality of life. How pollution affects ordinary people in Delhi. Health impacts. Continuous exposure to high levels of particulate matter PM2.5 and PM10 leads to respiratory issues like asthma, bronchitis, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Children and the elderly are particularly vulnerable, often requiring medical attention or hospitalization during peak pollution days. Polluted air increases the risk of heart attacks, strokes, and high blood pressure, even in relatively healthy individuals. Pollution weakens the immune system, making people more susceptible to infections like pneumonia and flu. Economic burden. Families spend a significant portion of their income on doctor visits, medications, and hospitalizations due to pollution-induced illnesses. Outdoor workers like rickshaw pullers, construction laborers, and street vendors face direct exposure to polluted air, impacting their health and ability to earn a living. Environmental degradation. Polluted rivers and lakes, like the Yamuna, make clean drinking water scarce, forcing residents to rely on expensive bottled water or unsafe sources. Toxic chemicals in the water affect the food supply, as crops irrigated with such water are often contaminated. Government actions to control pollution in Delhi. The government of India, alongside the Delhi state government, has been implementing several measures to combat the rising pollution levels in the city. Graded Response Action Plan (GRAP). Introduced in 2017, GRAP is a comprehensive set of measures activated during different levels of air quality. Reducing industrial pollution. Industrial units are being shifted to cleaner fuels like natural gas instead of coal. Several heavily polluting units have been permanently shut down. Curbing dust pollution. Spraying water through anti-smog guns at construction sites to suppress dust particles. Mechanical road sweeping and water sprinkling to reduce road dust. Stubble burning management. Farmers are being provided with biodecomposers to convert crop residue into manure, reducing the need for stubble burning. Air quality monitoring. The government has set up a network of continuous ambient air quality monitoring stations to monitor real-time air pollution levels and take timely action. But these government actions were merely band-aids on a gaping wound. Delhi's pollution crisis is not just the story of one city but a cautionary tale for urban centers worldwide. It's a stark reminder of the price we pay for unchecked development. Solutions require collaboration between citizens, industries, and policymakers, and a commitment to sustainable practices. Delhi's residents are realizing that the fight against pollution is not just the government's responsibility, it's everyone's battle. A united front can ensure that the ordinary people of Delhi, from children to the elderly, can enjoy a healthier, brighter, and pollution-free future. Thank you for watching Fact Finesse. Let's pledge to be a part of the solution, not the pollution. Like, share, and subscribe for more stories that inspire action and ignite change. Together, we can make a difference.